To fix an Android camera's black screen, several steps can be taken. The issue may be caused by corrupted files, incorrect settings, or incorrect permissions. Initially, clearing the camera app's cache may resolve the problem. This can be done by pressing the camera app symbol for a few seconds, then clicking the info icon, proceeding to tap the storage option, and selecting the clear cache option. If this does not work, resetting app preferences is the next step. Incorrect app settings can affect the camera's functionality, and resetting them may fix the issue. This is achieved by opening the Settings app, selecting the System option, tapping the Reset option, and then tapping the Reset App Preferences option. If the problem persists, checking the camera app's permissions is necessary. This involves going to the Settings app, clicking the Apps option, selecting the Camera option, and tapping the Permissions option to ensure that the camera, location, and microphone have been granted access. By following these steps, the Android camera's black screen issue can be resolved.